So now we have the ABC alphabet soup, bright bite. It has 28 pieces. Just help teach letter, ABC order, and 5 motor skills. Okay, let's open it. My baby wants to open this already. Yay! Have a tape in here. How to open this tape? Yeah. Uh-oh. Yeah. Open. Oh. Look what we have here. A, B, C. We have a spoon, a bowl. We have A, B, C letters. Let me see. They have 24 letters in there. Okay. Bowl, yay. Here's a letter T. Okay, what's that? Okay, let me find. What's this? What's this? Kara? A, B, C, D, E, F. Where F? Where F? I cannot find the F. Here the F. F, G, O, H. Where I? I right here. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, okay, Q, where R? I cannot find the R. Where R? Where R? I can see R. No R in here. You see R in here? R here, yay! My baby found the R. R. S. T. Where you? Where you? V. Where you? I don't see you at all. You. Where are you? Where are you? I cannot see the U. Baby, find mommy a U. Where you? U, V, W, X, Y, where's Z? Z, yay! Okay, we have the bowl of alphabet soup. Ta-da! 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 Yay! Yum yum! Yum 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 yum!